100.
So, that is that one.
And we're gonna eat
We have a must.
Ang judges, spicy noodles.
spicy noodles. We're actually gonna eat a spicy noodle, so
This is a mukbang challenge.
yeah, mukbang
The
challenge.
spicy noodles. This is the most spicy. This is the not so spicy.
And this is, I don't know.
The not so spicy with a sabaw. So let's get started.
But first,
What?
so let's get started, Mommy. I'm ready.
So let's get started.
My God, I'm so nervous. It's really spicy.
If you are the winner, you will have 100 pesos and trip to Jerusalem.
Why would you?
Japan.
Trip to Japan, third floor. Okay, let's start. There we go.
I give up.
Nagbibigat si Aliyah.
I give up.
I'm hungry.
Alam kayo yan?
Ayun. I don't know what that.
Can you get me some noodles?
I think I'm gonna get Coke.
Damn, that's amazing. How spicy. Oh my God.
Finish your water.
Ah! Ah! Hala ko eh! Ah!
Finish your water. This is gonna have a Coke. Basta, sorry. Sorry. Balik po na.
Ah! Hala ko
Imo na ako. Ano na? Imo man yung... Ay, kasi na. Isa little big Coke na nasa imo ka Coke na lang isa ka baso gayon na. Magpalabit.
Oh my God, it's a big one.
Hindi na ka?
We need to win this round because I need the 100 pesos.
I have an idea. Ah. Just wait for me!
Why you need the 100 pesos? Halang kayo! Halang kayo! Halang kayo!
Let's eat this with bread.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. It's so sticky.
I will show you. Mine is so very clear. Her is so very awaps. I did it, guys. I did it. But my mouth is so very red.
You only get 100 and I have already have a lot of money in the bank.
That's why I need to won because I don't have money. You have a lot of money. Agay! Agay!
So that's it for today, guys. So yeah. So that's all for today, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.
Bye. Aliyah ka na. Finish it.
Bye bye.